Alrighty, got her all formed up, rebar in. Go get some lunch now while we're waiting for concrete. Cleaning the old boots off. So yeah, need to get some plastic too, because chance of rain coming. Imagine that every time you pour concrete. So, see you later. Using our Shockwave again. Is this 12-foot pan?
Yeah,
12-foot pan, 8-foot pad, so should work pretty nice. Readjusted our handlebars, kind of make it a little easier, hopefully. So we're just waiting on concrete now. All right, this pad here is a 8x30. We only went about 5 inches thick or so, so it's around 4 yards of concrete. We're using our Marshalltown Power Screed again, kind of getting the hang of it. We changed up our handlebars on it and kind of figured it out a little more with the RPM to run it, and just kind of have to get used to running it basically. But worked pretty good for this pad. Kind of overkill, could have did it with the 2x4 or something smaller, but we already have the tool, so we might as well use it when we can. It makes it a lot easier. We're going to make this a 2-part video, so in the second part we're going to have kind of a how-to and teach you how to finish, some little tips and tricks on edging and floating your pad if you're trying to do any concrete yourself or anything. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.